Kyra Thomas's Queen's Park House is a daring reimagining of domestic space. Nestled within the confines of an old warehouse, the home is aesthetic in contrasts. From the street, it appears as a monolithic, unremarkable brick structure, its industrial past subtly hinted at. Yet, beyond the unassuming facade lies a world of light, space, and tranquility. The challenge for Thomas was to create a sense of openness and connection to the outdoors within the restricted footprint of the warehouse. The architect's solution was ingenious. By strategically placing 4 courtyards within the building, she introduced natural light, ventilation, and a sense of depth to every room. These outdoor spaces serve as visual and physical links between the interior and exterior, blurring the boundaries between the two. The careful placement of these courtyards also creates a dynamic interplay of light and shadow throughout the day, adding a sense of movement and life to the spaces. To enhance the feeling of openness, Thomas employed clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and floor-to-ceiling glazing. The result is a home that feels larger than its physical dimensions, with a sense of airiness and spaciousness that is truly remarkable. The material palette is equally restrained, with a focus on natural textures and neutral tones. This creates a calming atmosphere that complements the home's overall sense of tranquility. Queen's Park House is a testament to the power of thoughtful design. By transforming an ordinary warehouse into an extraordinary family home, Kyra Thomas has demonstrated that even the most challenging of sites can be transformed into a space of beauty and functionality. Her ability to create a sense of openness and connection to the outdoors within such a confined space is a true feat of architectural ingenuity. So, that's my take on the Queen's Park House. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you're interested, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.